when setting up new campaigns with either DV360 or Trade Desk, I do tend to like put it in sections. So first, I start with preparation. So in terms of preparation, I align with client objectives and KPIs. So to be exact, there would be like if it's awareness, so it leaning towards CPM, engagements for CTR, and performance for CPA. So from there, I map the audience strategy. Let's say, for example, first party data via pixels, so or CRM list. And second would be third party data or segments, and where it is actually needed, if it's contextual or CTV targeting. So from there, I also confirm budgets, flighting, pacing, and creative readiness with proper specs and tags in place. So after that preparation and confirming it all, from my end, I tend to go through the inside of the DSP itself. So let's take the example for DV360. I do now create the campaign shell or setting its flight dates, pacing rules, and brand safety update if it's mode IAS or double verify standards. So at that point, I also tend to like put it under ad group or an insertion order level after doing the campaign shell. So I design or define the tactics within that insertion order level, including the retargeting, setting up of geo targeting, and at the same time also I do apply audiences on that point and apply frequency caps and assign inventory sources. If it's PMP, an open exchange, or a programmatic guaranteed deal. So after setting it up under insertion order level, that's the time that we will be setting up in line item level. So in line item level, this is the crucial part of the process. Because in here, we are the one who's setting up the bid strategies, including the manual CPMs, shading, or the auto bidding part. So after that, we also assign specific budgets if there are priorities, audience targeting per line item level by the client. So it also includes the uploading of the creatives at the same time. So after all of the setups and checking on both sides of the targeting and budgets, that's the time we do the last part, which is the tracking. Tracking is the last part wherein I deploy universal pixels or floodlights or configure the conversion goals at the same time. So in here, what I do is more on the analytics part of reporting and MMP to make sure that MMPs are all in place or integrated. So before launch, I do also the QA for the creatives to ensure that both dimensions, creative types are being tested, including the click-throughs at the same time through the landing pages and validating the pixels. So after all checking this, including the pacing and the targeting rules, that's the time we can say that we can launch the campaign and do the soft mode for inventory and monitoring from our end. So usually within the first 24 to 48 hours of these new campaigns, what we do is we do review the initial pacing and win rates through CTR. If needed, we do adjustments on bids and frequencies, but most of the time we suggest to clients to don't make any changes from it because it's the first 24 to 48 hours where the machine will learn this automation that we applied on the new campaign. So after being stabilized, that's the time we can educate our clients to, hey, now we can do the wrap up and close the report. So we can finally read the actual performance of the campaign, including the inventory insights. So all the learnings to feed in would be able to use on the next or the succeeding campaigns.